Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. For those of you new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abby. I hope at the end of this video you subscribe and join the family as well. For those of you returning back, thank you for stopping by again. In today's video, I'll be making EGUSI IJEBU. This is the way Ijebu people like to enjoy their EGUSI soup. I remember the first time my mom made it, I was like, I'm not going to eat this thing because it had no vegetable in it and it was looking very different, but I ended up stealing, like eating half of it without her knowing. Anyways, let's go through the ingredients together. So we're going to be using EGUSI seed, that's melon seed, sorry. We're going to be using this big pepper, I think they call it Tatashe, crayfish, the small ones, and crayfish head. I don't throw mine away, I blend it with my peppers. So this is red chili pepper, the small type. I'm using onions, locust beans, that's iru. I'm using smoked fish as well. I'll be using palm oil to prepare this meal. I'll be using salt and seasoning. Then I'll be using my beef stock. Then my assorted beef. It has shaki, pomo, cow leg, and beef in it. So let's get right into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
So the first thing I did was to toast my melon seed. I overdid mine, but it still ended up turning out beautiful. It was very tasty. The toasted flavor took this soup to another level entirely. So don't be afraid, but don't leave it to bono. Always make sure you're constantly stirring it. Anyway, so this is me just stir frying it, or yeah, I think I can call it stir frying it. Yeah, this is me just stirring it, and as you can see, mine got a little bit burnt, but it made the flavor of this soup top notch. I promise you, it didn't ruin it at all. So this is me just pointing to my blender. I added in my onions, my dried chili peppers, I added in my locust beans, my tatashe, my crayfish, and the crayfish head I showed you guys at the beginning, and I poured in a little bit of water. I added Scotch bonnet because after blending it I realized it wasn't spicy enough, so I added rodo again off camera. So after blending, I put it into a wide pan and stirred it for a little while, for a few seconds, covered it and allowed the water to evaporate a little bit. Then after that, I think I left it there for about 15 minutes, but I was stirring off camera. Then after covering for about 15 minutes, I added my palm oil, added my seasoning and my salt. You want to make sure you add your seasoning and your salt before adding your beef stock. You don't want to add everything together and your food becomes too salty, so add one at a time, or you can add your stock first. If the seasoning in there is not enough, then you add more seasoning and more salt. So I added in my palm oil, covered it for about 8 to 10 minutes again. After that, I added in my protein, that's my shaki, my pomo, my beef, and my cow leg. Covered it again. I added in water. I don't even know if I showed it on camera, but I added water because I felt like it was too thick. Anyways, EGUSI IJEBU is that easy to make. It doesn't take much time at all. You can even add tamarind pepper at this point, or crayfish, more crayfish, depends on how spicy you like your food. Anyways, this is me just adding my smoked ejakika, that's kwanla fish or egg fish. This is me just adding it for extra flavor. This took the soup to another level. Just the aroma of the fish infused into the egusi soup was amazing. I had mine with rice at first, then I had it with eba later. It was delicious, I promise you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you leave your comments down below, like this video and share this video as well.